Florida lawmakers are now 2 days into a special session aimed at tackling the state's property insurance crisis. As they examine potential solutions, News4JAX viewers have been asking for more specifics about one of the most controversial provisions in it, that all citizens' property insurance policyholders must obtain flood insurance.
Yeah, this big change could affect roughly 1 million homeowners across the state of Florida. And while some would have to get flood insurance immediately, others would have until 2027 to do so.
If I have citizens and it costs me $4,000 plus I have to get the flood insurance, and I'm looking for insurance in the private market, does that include flood insurance for citizens?
But that would be a separate cost to the consumer in addition to whatever the Citizens program is.
It's a likely reality for 1.2 million homeowners currently under the Citizens Insurance umbrella. Additional costs for a separate flood policy as changes are considered following billions of dollars in damage from Hurricane Ian. Homes that traditionally remained high and dry went underwater during the height of the hurricane, putting additional stress on Florida's insurance industry that was already in crisis. If the House and Senate agree on new insurance legislation, here's how long Citizens policyholders would have to obtain flood insurance. Citizen policyholders currently living in a flood zone would have until April 1st to get flood insurance if the current proposal becomes law. If your home is insured for $600,000 or more, you'll need to get flood insurance by January of 2024, whether you live in a flood zone or not. If your home is insured for $500,000 or more, you'll be required to have flood insurance by January 2025. If your home is insured for $400,000 or more, you'll need flood insurance by January 2026. And finally, by 2027, all Citizen policyholders will have to obtain flood insurance.
It's an extra cost, and typically flood insurance has always been one of those things that you can buy if you want it. However, if you are in a flood zone and you have a mortgage, you have to have flood insurance.
Brightway insurance agent Matt Carlucci Jr. says homeowners can either get flood insurance through FEMA or the private market, which he says is typically a cheaper alternative. Carlucci says most policies in Florida run under $1,000 a year. He says homeowners living in a flood zone will likely be offered the most affordable pricing.
I actually think that your flood insurance premium will go down if you're in a flood zone, because now everybody's going to have it, even if they don't have a mortgage. And the more people that buy flood insurance in high-risk zones, the more the price actually goes down because it's regulated by FEMA. And so the more people that pay into it, the less they need to charge.
This new legislation also includes provisions that ultimately move some Citizens policyholders to private insurance companies. The House and the Senate met for various committee meetings today in Tallahassee on two almost identical bills. A vote on this new legislation could come as early as tomorrow evening.